Hey guys, ClayRepairs here. Today, I'm going to see if simply cleaning your mass airflow sensor can improve gas mileage and increase power. We'll be using the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner to clean my mass airflow sensor right here. It claims to increase MPGs, gain 4 to 10 horsepower, and improve the air to fuel ratio. We're going to see about that. The first thing I'll do is disconnect the negative battery terminal. So to get to the mass airflow sensor, we're going to take off the airbox lid here, these two clips, and then we're going to unscrew this clamp and take the intake tube off. And there we go, that's our mass airflow sensor right here. Okay, so this cleaner's directions say to do 10 to 15 shots in this mass airflow sensor. So we're going to spray this a couple different times because, we really had nothing to lose. We got this whole can, so we might as well spray it as much as it says to. Okay, after cleaning the mass airflow sensor, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall this. Okay, with this part back installed, we'll connect the negative battery terminal. Okay, with all this installed and ready to go, the only thing left to do is drive it. So I'm going to drive it for a week or two, record the gas mileage I'm getting, and just kind of get a feel for what the power is like, and then I'll report back and tell you guys what it feels like and if it's worth it to clean this. Okay guys, it's been a few weeks since I've used this stuff, and I've driven around a little while, filled up twice, and I'll tell you what I think of this. So the first fill up was only 0.1 miles per gallon better, which is almost nothing. And the second fill up was about 4 miles per gallon better. But that's only because I changed my driving style, not because of this actual product. That last trip, which was 4 miles per gallon better, I did lots of highway driving, which really improved the MPGs. Also, I noticed no real power gain from this either. So in conclusion, this stuff might be good if your mass airflow sensor is really dirty, but for me, this really didn't change much, and really, the MPGs are just based on your driving habits. So if you want to get better MPGs, just don't stomp on it and lead foot it around. You'll get a much bigger payout from that. If this video is helpful, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video like it.